Welcome back, everybody. 10:13 this evening, and it is still warm at this hour, and that is on another triple-digit day this afternoon in North Texas. 100 is where we topped out at DFW. That was around 4:15 this afternoon, but we actually hit 100 a couple of times today. Our average is 97 degrees, so we're not too far from that, but it is warm out there. It's been a warm stretch. Those morning lows have been in the upper 70s and no precipitation at DFW, but as we saw just a couple of minutes ago, that was a different story just a bit to the east off into Royce City. We had very, very small pockets of activity today, but those small pockets produced some gusty winds, that microburst that we talked about in Royce City. Today at 100, that marked our 17th triple-digit day of 2026, and we are getting closer to that average of 20 triple-digit days in a year, and I think we get to that 20 benchmark as we head through the end of this school week. So get ready for it. It's going to be a toasty week as you get kids to school every day, morning to night. It's going to be very warm. So let's talk that school forecast, what you can expect out the door tomorrow morning in the upper 70s. That's where we'll start things off. We head right back to 100 degrees tomorrow afternoon. That's for your Monday, mainly sunny skies with just a slight breeze out there. Sunrise, you're looking at 6:47 in the morning, so that sun should be up for most of those kids as you get them to the bus stop in the morning. Let's talk the rest of the school week. Tuesday's another really big day. Dallas ISD and a number of school districts are headed back, and that will be a similar forecast with lows near 80 and highs near the triple digits. By Wednesday, temperatures are running the same, but that breeze really picks up. We'll be talking gusty winds Wednesday and through the end of this week, which means we'll be dealing with some increased grass fire danger. So that will be something that we'll watch in particular off to the west of the 35 corridor, where we do have more grassy areas. You'll want to avoid anything that could cause a spark, especially into the end of this week. We're also dealing with dry conditions. The last time we saw over an inch of rain, that was back on July 13th when we picked up 1.29 inches. So we will go more than a month without an inch of rain. Now let's talk tropics for just a second, because we have not talked tropics in several weeks, and they are starting to heat up about right on cue. September is peak hurricane season. August, though, those waters are starting to heat up, and we have 3 spots to watch in the Atlantic. This orange shows the most promise there, just that easterly wave coming off the coast of Africa. That's something that we'll keep a close eye on as we get through the next week. A couple of spots in the eastern Pacific, too. In particular, this one close to Hawaii. That'll be another spot to watch as we head through the course of the next 7 days. And of course, we'll keep an eye on all of them. But for now, let's keep an eye on the 7-day forecast, which features a lot of triple digits for those first days of school. Lows in the upper 70s and low 80s, and just lots of highs in those triple digits. Steve.